So today we're in downtown Greenville, South Carolina, and we're going to show you some chocolate. Now I don't want you eating a lot of chocolate, and we have some great videos to really help guide you on what to eat. But today we are going to make some unbelievably delicious and succulent chocolate snacks, and I'll show you how to keep it smart and keep it healthier. Let's go. Look, I'm a doctor and I'm a realist, and I know that everybody's going to end up in a chocolate shop at some point. But if you go into a shop like this with a plan, there are ways to come out with your sweet tooth fulfilled while keeping your health goals intact. Cooking Doc here, and we are in Kilwins Chocolate Shop in Greenville, South Carolina, and we are ready to make some chocolate today. I am here with Landon. Landon is our chocolatier. He's going to show us how to make some delicious chocolate, and there is already action brewing here in this chocolate shop this morning. So let's get going. So Landon, what are we doing here today?
So we're going to make some elite chocolate barks. Our elite chocolates are 72% cocoa, which is a higher percentage of cocoa than our milk and our even normal dark chocolate. So that's much more cocoa than in your traditional chocolates, right?
Correct,
yeah.
So like if we were to get a milk chocolate bar or something like that, the first ingredient is what?
Sugar.
Sugar, okay. So
yeah.
This is kind of a healthier choice. We're going with a lower sugar type of chocolate, and it tastes so good, and it's very easy to make, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Especially if you got an expert.
Yeah.
All right.
And this machine.
And this machine. Machine helps.
Yeah. This is a chocolate tempering machine, and these things run 24/7 here at Kilwins, and they make our job a little bit easier. So in the front is our tempered chocolate, and over here we have some dried cherries. Then we're going to add a couple big ladles of chocolate.
Oh man. Okay, so that's just dark chocolate melted and the dried cherries.
Right.
That's it. Beautiful.
Super simple. People that like the dark chocolate love this.
I can see why.
And it's actually the only thing we have that doesn't contain animal products. So.
All right, so we got a dairy-free chocolate bark with dried cherries, and you just kind of spread it out.
Every bite doesn't have a cherry in it, but you still get the flavor of the cherry in the chocolate.
Oh, because the chocolate is kind of hot and it soaks up some of that cherry flavor, huh?
It's going to start to cool just like this,
okay.
And then right before it sets up hard, we'll cut it into 12 squares.
Perfect.
So now we're just going to make our only other elite product that we have here in the store, which is our elite almond bark. It's just the elite chocolate mixed with some roasted salted almonds pieces.
This is for you nut lovers out there. Chocolate. I could watch that chocolate going apple all day.
If you're going to do this one,
okay.
I'll let you take it from here. You're just going to mix it up good.
All right, is that mixed enough?
It looks good.
Okay. Now what?
So now we're just going to hold it up, dump it down the center of the tray.
Down the center, like.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're just spreading it along?
Yeah, just going to spread it out just like.
Try to keep it away from the sides.
Yep.
Okay, so we are now about, what, 5 minutes later, you think?
Yeah.
5 to 7 minutes later, something?
So this is set up pretty good. I mean, doesn't leave your fingerprint in it.
Okay.
So it's going to cut it into 12 pieces. You cut it 3 times this way.
Now, according to the cooking doc, this sheet pan should get you about 4,000 servings, right? Just kidding.
So it's not perfect, but some people want bigger pieces, some want smaller. So
perfect. I've never been so excited to do the tasting here. Look at this. Chocolate with cherries. I'm just gonna try a little piece. Wow, that is decadent. That is delicious. It's not too sweet.
Right.
You can really taste the chocolate and the cocoa. Man, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Landon, for cooking with us and for letting us use your space, showing us how chocolate is made.
Sure. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Check out our website, thecookingdoc.co, and follow us on Facebook and YouTube for lots of healthy recipes and videos. And we'll see you next time.